All right, let's talk about how you can change the date format in Excel. Now there are two basic ways that you can do that, and we'll cover both. So here we just have some random dates. So right now these are all in the same format. These are using the United States way of recording dates with the month, day, and then year. But let's say that we wanted to change this to a European date format, or we wanted the day, month, and year. So we can select that cell or range of cells. In this case, we'll just change this one cell. If you go up to the home ribbon under number, you hit this drop down. You go over to more number formats. This little format cells menu will pop up. And when you select date, you can come over here and select all these different types of how you want the date to be displayed. Now, you can also change the location or the locale depending on how you want those dates to be displayed. So again, we want this to be in Europe, let's say the United Kingdom, so there it will have the day, month, and year for us. So if we go ahead and hit OK, we can see that that date then switched formats. Now let's say that we wanted this to say, instead of listing 4/12/2025, we wanted to say April 12th, 2025. We can then go up again to this format cells box. We can select whichever one we like, whichever type we like the most, which in this case we want this to be displayed. We'll go ahead and hit OK. That will switch to April 12th, 2025. So again, you can switch that format by selecting the range or the cell that you're wanting to reformat. Now let's say that you go here and you select formats and you're not seeing the type of way you want the date to be displayed. Another way you can change the format of this date is to use a formula. So let's use the text formula here, and you will select the value or the cell you're wanting to reformat, comma, then quote, and this is how you're going to type how you want your date to be displayed. For example, we want it to say Thursday, the 3rd, April, whatever the year is, right? So what we can do is hit D for day, and that's going to put the day in terms of letters for you. Space D, which will display the number of the day, and then we'll type 4 letters for the with capital M's, which will display the month, as in it will write April, May, June, whatever the month may be. And then we will type the year, Y, to display the full year. And then we'll end that with the parenthesis and hit enter. And we will see that that will write Thursday the 2nd, January 1997. So you can use this text format using this type of nomenclature or this type of format to display how you want the date to be. Now we'll do one more example here using the text function. We'll select this cell, hit comma, quote, and let's say we want this to be day, separated by a comma, month, separated by another comma, and then year. And we'll hit end quote and hit enter. And that will display 07/06/21 for 2021. So you can kind of play around with this and determine however you'd like that to be displayed if you're not seeing the option up here in this format cells box. So there you have it. That's how you can format dates within Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.